So today for meal prep we are going to be making cheesecake, which is this recipe in your recipe pack. For this recipe you will need digestive biscuits, caster sugar, cream cheese, and you'll need 3 tubs of that, butter, vanilla extract, a lemon, and 3 eggs. Okay, so you will need a 9-inch loose bottomed cake tin. I've greased it with butter to stop it from sticking. First of all, I'm going to turn the oven on to 150 degrees or gas mark 2. So first of all, I'm going to weigh out my digestive biscuits. Okay, so you will need some scales to weigh out your ingredients. The recipe says 225 grams. There we go. So now we need to turn our biscuits into fine crumbs. There's 2 ways that you can do this. You can either pop them in a freezer or sandwich bag and bash them up with a rolling pin, or you can blitz them up in the food processor, which is what I'm going to be doing today. Okay, and now they should look like this. Next I'm going to measure out the butter, and the recipe says I need 75 grams. And then I'm going to melt the butter in a saucepan over a low heat. So I'm going to turn the hob on to a low heat and then melt the butter slowly in the pan. Okay, so when the butter's completely melted, turn off the heat, and then we're going to carefully add our biscuit crumbs. Stir them into the butter until all the butter's mixed in. And then when you're happy with that, take your tin and put the crumbs into the tin. Spread them out evenly and pat it all down. Okay, so that's the base of our cheesecake done. So now we're going to pop that in the fridge, and that's going to be firming up while we make the top bit of our cheesecake. Okay, so now we're ready to make the top of our cheesecake. So I'm going to weigh out the caster sugar, and the recipe says that you need 175 grams. That in the blender. So all our ingredients for the top layer is going to be mixed together in the blender. If you don't have an electric blender, that's fine, you can just do it in a bowl with a wooden spoon. So next I'm going to put the 3 tubs of cream cheese in. Blend the sugar and the cream cheese together first. That's fine, and then I'm going to add a few drops of the vanilla extract. That's fine. And the 3 eggs. I'm just going to wash my hands because very important to wash your hands. You can touch a raw egg. Okay, so now we're going to put the lemon in. So we want the lemon rind, which is the outside of the lemon, and also the lemon juice. But to get the lemon rind, I'm going to grate the lemon. Put that in first. Okay, so I'm going to put the lemon rind in to the mixer. And then we want some lemon juice. So I'm going to cut the lemon in half with a sharp knife. I'm using the claw grip again. And then I'm just going to squeeze the lemon in, lemon juice into the processor. Okay, so I'm going to mix all this up together in the blender. When you're happy that the top bit of your cheesecake is all blended up, get your tin with the base that you made back out the fridge, and then we're simply going to pour the top bit all over the top. So just make sure it's nice and evenly covered. And we're going to pop it in the oven. So make sure you use your oven gloves again because the oven's very hot. And it needs to go in the oven for 40 minutes. Okay, so once you've cooked your cheesecake in the oven, you then need to chill it in the fridge for at least 2 hours to firm up a bit, and then you can simply decorate it with your favourite fruit. And that's how to make a cheesecake. Bye!